Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. I'm proud of you for showing up. That already sets you apart. Most people won't do what you're doing right now. You might have woken up with a stiff back, tight hips, or zero energy. Maybe you're still carrying tension from yesterday, but in the next 90 seconds, we're going to wake up your spine, fire up your core, and set your body free. Most people stretch in ways that actually reinforce their stiffness. This session corrects that by using purposeful movements that restore energy, flexibility, and alignment. Your spine and core are your foundation. Neglecting them is one of the biggest mistakes people make, and it's keeping them tired, weak, and in pain. We're starting with a move that instantly decompresses your spine, but only if you breathe with it. This is the stretch that wakes up your spine from the inside out. If you've ever felt locked up between your shoulders or in your lower back, this is for you. Start in a tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your head and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and pelvis, cat. Move slowly with your breath. I promise this move will decompress your spine, reset your nervous system, and prepare your core for real support today. Beginners, a smaller range of motion. Advanced stretches, add breath holds at the end of each movement. Most people rush this. Can you slow it down to one breath per movement? Feel your spine unravel. 5 more seconds. Can you deepen the tuck and lift just a little more? That just unlocked your spine. Now let's fire up the muscles that protect it. Your core isn't just your abs, it's your spine's bodyguard. This move turns it on. From tabletop, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep hips square, core tight, and spine long. Hold for 3 seconds, then return and repeat. I promise the stretch will stabilize your spine, improve balance, and prevent lower back pain all day. Beginners, keep toes on the floor. Advanced stretches, hold the position longer and add elbow to knee taps. Do you feel wobbly? That's your core waking up. Stay with it. It gets better with each rep. Last 5 seconds. Squeeze your glute, reach further, make it count. You just activated one half. Let's complete the set. Balance matters. One side is always stronger. This is how we fix that. Extend your left arm and right leg. Keep your neck neutral and don't let your hips twist. Breathe deeply and engage your abs. I promise this move will restore balance to your posture and stabilize your hips before you even stand. Beginners, use a wall block for support. Advanced stretches, add pulses at the top. Take a deep breath. Can you tighten your core just 5% more? That's the zone. Hold your last rep for 5 seconds. Reach and stretch. You've got this. That just locked in your core. Now let's free up your hips. If your hips feel tight when you walk, stand, or even just sit, this move is your secret weapon. It targets the deep part of the joint most stretches miss. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat, and hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee inward toward the ground, then bring it back up. Now drop the left knee inward. Alternate slowly, like windshield wipers. Keep your spine long and your core slightly engaged. I promise this move will unlock your hips, reduce stiffness in your lower back, and give your legs more freedom throughout the day. Beginners, keep both feet flat and go slowly. Advanced stretches, sit upright with no hand support and increase the range. Here's something wild. Most hip tightness doesn't come from your hamstrings. It comes from what's deep inside the joint. This stretch fixes that. Can you slow it down even more and hold each side for 2 extra seconds? Try it. Feel that release? Your hips are moving better already. Now let's open up the chest and undo all that hunching from sitting and scrolling. Tight chest, rounded shoulders, that forward-leaning posture. It's not just bad for confidence. It compresses your lungs and hurts your back. Let's fix it. Stand tall or kneel. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your arms down and slightly back while lifting your chest. If comfortable, hinge forward to deepen the stretch. I promise this move will open up your chest, reset your posture, and help you breathe deeper and move taller. Beginners use a towel instead of clasping your hands. Advanced stretches hinge forward or lift your arms higher for more stretch. Here's the truth. If you sit a lot, your shoulders are slowly collapsing inward. This stretch is your reset button. Last 5 seconds. Can you pull your hands just an inch further back? That's the game changer. You just opened up your entire upper body. Now let's end with a full body release. Our final stretch. This is the one you've been waiting for. The stretch that makes you feel lighter, looser, and more alive. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips and slowly fold forward. Let your head and arms hang heavy. Slightly bend your knees if needed. Let gravity do the work. I promise this move will release your lower back, strengthen your hamstrings, and flood your brain with fresh oxygen to supercharge your energy. Beginners, bend the knees and rest your arms on thighs. Advanced stretches, grab your calves or elbows and gently sway side to side. Most people hold tension in their neck, even in this pose. Can you let your head go completely limp? Yes, even your jaw. Final stretch. Can you hold it 5 seconds longer than you want to? Go all in. Breathe. Melt. You just stretched your entire body from the base of your spine to the tips of your fingers. This is how you start your day strong. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.